Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a lasagna. How exciting! Because this is one that I don't do often. So let's go ahead and get into the ingredients. So I have some ground chuck here, it's 80/20. I have some lasagna noodles. I also have some sea salt that I'm going to add to the noodles when those boil. And for the sauce, I have some soul food seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, garlic salt, celery salt, tomato paste, crushed tomatoes, and some coconut sugar. So yes, sugar does go in spaghetti or any other type of marinara sauce that you're making. I also have some bell pepper, onion, garlic, about half a stick of butter, and in the back you can see all the cheeses. I think a variety of cheeses is like a definite yes when it comes to lasagna, and I have Colby Jack, sharp cheddar, as well as Italian blend, and you can use whatever blend you love, but these three together, I absolutely love them when it comes to the flavor. Like, it is crazy. And I decided to do a voiceover for this video because it was all dark and gloomy this particular day, and I didn't feel like talking. But because I don't make lasagna often, I knew there was going to be like a very, very long time before I was going to be able to do this video again. So I was like, I might as well just go ahead and get it done. And I'm glad I made that decision. So this is working out perfectly for me. So let's go ahead and jump into getting it done. So I'm heating up some olive oil here in a pan, and we're going to start with the ground beef. And I seasoned it with garlic, salt, soul food seasoning, as well as black pepper. And even though it's not as much fat as it would be in a regular ground beef, make sure you drain all of that off. I know some people say that's where all the flavor is, but nah. It's going to be enough flavor in there, trust me. And I'm heating up some more oil here in a pot. We're going to start on the sauce. First, we're going to work on the fresh veggies. So get those chopped up, throw those in. And you'll know that they're done when they start to get soft and translucent. Then we're going to add in the crushed tomatoes as well as the tomato paste. And I fill up the tomato paste can with water about 2 times, but you can use your own judgment with the consistency of the sauce that you want, but I don't want it too runny and I don't want it too thick, so that's why I do 2. And now I'm going to add in the ground beef. And I'm going to continue to let this cook until it gets a little thicker. That way it'll be easier for the lasagna layers to stick together because we don't want it runny and falling apart. So now I'm starting on the noodles there, letting them come to a boil so we can get those ready to start layering. And in the meantime, I'm going to work on a salad. So I have spring mix here, and I love the leaves in there. Great tomatoes, and you can do cherry tomatoes if you like. And I also have a cucumber that I'm going to chop up. And here's the finished product. Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love all the colors, especially that red lettuce, because it looks purple, and that's my favorite color. So we're going to start making our layers and do a thin layer, not a thick one like me, on the bottom. And then on there, you start your regular layers. So put your first layer of noodles. Then you can add some more sauce, and this one can be thicker than the first one. I love a meaty lasagna. Then you add in your first layer of cheese. This is a Colby Jack. Then you repeat the same thing. Noodles, sauce, and cheese. This is the sharp cheddar. And repeat the same thing for the next layer. This is the Italian blend. I love for that to be on top. And you stick that in the oven at 350 for about 40 minutes, and this is your finished product. And all of those places where you see a little grease, I just dab that off so we don't put all of that in our bodies. And here you are. Here is the finished plating. And as you can see, I am getting much better with my presentation, and I absolutely love this plate against this background. And the lasagna was a huge hit. Everyone loved it, even the salad. And I was sad to see it go, but of course, good things must come to an end. But I thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you again soon.